Hello everyone, welcome back. I am Raghavan Mishra and in this video we are going to learn the basic Linux commands, bash script to create multiple directories using loop, and I'll be echoing the directories which are getting created. So let us go to the terminal and see what we have here. Okay, so this is the basic terminal, this is the shell, this is the terminal. You will get in almost all the version of Linux, right? Whether it is Kali Linux, it is Fedora, RHEL, Red Hat basically, or Ubuntu or CentOS. Okay, so whenever you open the terminal, you will get the file structure like this. Okay, no need to worry. I'll cover everything. So let's start with the pwd command. This is the present working directory command. It will tell you if you are inside root or slash or whatever, right? So I'll just go to the uh, root by giving this negation, and you can see I have changed the directory. So once again, if I give this pwd command, it will uh, tell me like where I have navigated to. Okay, so I have navigated to the home, and so I can just switch back to the parent directory by giving a double dot. See, I have come to home, and now my SDET ADDA is just under this. Okay, I can again change it to the SDET ADDA by changing the directory. CD is for the changing directory. Okay, I will just give one tab, and it will change the directory. Okay, so I have created couple of folders over here, you can see, and I can get inside one of the folder. So I have navigated to or switched to this folder. Okay, so nothing is there. If you see by ls command, you can see whatever is there inside that folder. Okay, so so far we have covered pwd, ls, and cd command. Okay, we will see the different options to the ls command. So it will tell you like what all you can do with the ls. You can pass ltr to get like what is the timestamp of the files which are created inside that directory using by passing minus ltr and all. Okay, I'll gradually go. So just create one file. So using vi, or you can just use touch command. So I will create one test script. Okay, so this is going to be my test bash script or shell script or whatever you can say. All right, so this is my script and it has created one test file, and now you can see again. Okay, so I have created a test file. So let us get into the vi editor. So using vim, or you can use vi, and you can just open this file, okay, for writing. So I will press I. Okay, and you can see it has changed to the insert mode. Now the first thing which I will do here is I will give hash, and I will give, so hash is for the nothing with a comment, and first thing will be my shebang line. So I will start with bin slash bash. Okay, so this is first line in the shell script will always call out or is as a shebang line. Okay, so it will be seen in your perl, or it will be seen in almost every shell script. So don't worry. So this is the root, or this is the like path for your bash interpreter. Okay, so inside bin you will have this. Okay, even by default it takes that, so no need to worry. So now I will start writing something over here. So this is my first bash or shell script. So I will just echo this, and what we are going to do here is in this file, like I will create one maybe directory called test directory. Okay, test file, or I can give test directory, and then I will use for loop. So something like this. Okay, you can use while loop, you can use for loop. Okay, whatever you are comfortable, both are easy. And I will be creating 100 directories. It is going to be very interesting, just pay attention. So this is how you can write your, now inside this I will just perform some copy operation, right? So I have created this test directory. let me echo this also if it has created. So I will just echo test directory has been created, and I will give it inside double quote. Okay, and here I will just pass on, so whatever is there, like I can get inside this test directory, create some file, but no need to worry, I will cover um, most of the things which you should know, and which might be very useful for your learning. So just pay attention. I will be uploading other videos as well. You can watch out those videos for more details and other, Linux command and other sort of, scripts. So pay attention over here. So what I'm going to do here is I have created a loop from 1 to 100, and inside which I'll be copying this test directory, and to say test directory or whatever name you want to give, right? And then I will just pass on the variable I. Okay, so it will be uh, copying the file, it will be copying the directory, right? So this directory will be replicated 100 times. Okay, I have given $I, so it will be appended, it will be postfix. Okay, so this is how you can do, and just give done, and you're done basically. So now if you want to see like if the directories are getting created or not, you can again give some echo test directory, and then $I has been created, or created, just give created. Okay, and now you're done. So this is your first script, and we'll see if we can execute it or not. So I will just give slash, because this particular file is present inside the current working directory. I'm on over here. So if I give test dot, so it says permission denied. So what you will do, you will actually see like what all permission is given for this file. So you can see, so user, group, and others have read write. User has read write, and uh, group has only read, and others also has only read. So we need to give execute permission. So by giving this chmod plus x, we can give execute permission to this file. So let me give this, see, and I will check this again. So we have given execute permission for all. Okay, for user, for group, and for others also. So now I will be able to execute this, and let's execute. See, there are some issue with the expression, so you have to identify this as well. This is something has created, so we will delete it, test directory. Okay, and we will focus on this particular error. So integer we have mentioned, no need to mention integer over here. Okay, it didn't identify this particular part. Okay, so I will once again save and run this. See, it has created so many. We can validate also, we can verify if these many directories, 100 directories has been created from test directory or not. So it will first create the directory, and I have also shown you like how to delete the directory. So by giving rm minus rf and test, this particular command will help you, delete the directory, and the content inside the directory will be taken care recursively, right, through recursive delete, recursive and forceful. So this is the option which we are passing to this. Okay, this is passed in case of directory. Okay, so I'm not going to delete it again, so rather I will give, and I can see like what all directory has been created and what timestamps and who is the user and the group. So SDET ADDA is the user, and the this one group also, right? So you can see, and with this I can show you. So by using this script, you are able to create 100 directories, right? So that's it. Now on this video, I hope you have liked the explanation and learned from this script. So If yes, please do like and subscribe to my channel if you have not, and share it with your friends, and also share the feedback in comment section. I will see you in next video. Till then, keep learning, and thanks for watching.